macOS Sequoia Not Updating fix. If you're on the older versions, or maybe you're already on Sequoia, you've been trying to update your macOS to the latest operating system, but it's not being able to do so. The first and foremost thing that you want to check is your Wi-Fi settings. So open your settings and go to Wi-Fi. Try to turn off and turn back your Wi-Fi on, and just try to make sure that you have got basically quite a strength internet connection over there, right? So if you have got a slow internet connection, that could be quite a problem. The second thing you want to do is you want to go to general, then you want to go to storage, and make sure you have got plenty of storage left, because when you're out of storage, then in that case your applications will not be able to update properly as well. So it also needs some storage to be able to update itself. Then after you've done all of these changes, now you could basically just go to your software update section, and when you go to software update, now you can try to install the latest software update on macOS. So hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next